If your Samsung top-load washer is vibrating excessively, not spinning, or refusing to start, the motor could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and in this video, I'll guide you through testing and replacing the motor. Don't worry if this is your first time working on an appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, channel lock pliers, a 17mm, and a 10mm socket. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Turn off the water supply and disconnect the water hoses so the washer can be moved easily. Tilt the washer enough to give yourself better access to the bottom. Disconnect the wire harness from the drive motor. Grab your multimeter and set it to resistance, or ohms, indicated by an upside-down horseshoe symbol. Test the following terminal pairs on the motor: terminals 1 to 2, terminals 2 to 3, and terminals 1 to 3. You should see around 4 to 6 ohms between terminals 1 and 2, and between 2 and 3, and around 9 to 11 ohms between 1 and 3. Rotate the motor pulley to make sure it spins freely. If the resistance readings are outside of these ranges or the pulley does not rotate freely, the drive motor has failed and should be replaced. If the motor checks good, something else is causing your washer to not operate properly. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we'd love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. Remove the belt from the motor pulley. Grab your 10mm socket and remove the motor mounting bolts, and slide the motor out. Remove the pulley from the motor using the 17mm socket and pliers. Here's the old motor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the pulley onto the motor. Set the motor in place and secure it with the bolts loose enough to be able to move it. Install the drive belt, then lift up on the motor to create proper belt tension while tightening the motor bolts. Set the washer upright, connect the hoses, turn on the water supply, and reconnect the power cord. Great job getting your Samsung top-load washer back in action. We'd love to hear about your repair experience. Share your story in the comments below. If you found that you still need a new motor, remember that you can easily order one online by visiting AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. We're glad you chose us to guide you through this fix, and we look forward to helping you with your next project. Happy repairing!